See passwords for Wi-Fi networks you've connected your Android device to. You've probably connected your Android device to dozens of Wi-Fi networks since you've had it, and your phone or tablet remembers each of them. Whether it's a hotspot at home, school, work, the gym, a coffee shop, a relative's apartment, or even from a friend's phone, each time you type in a Wi-Fi password, your Android device saves it for safekeeping and easy access later. The trouble comes when you want to actually see the password for one of the networks you've connected to before. Perhaps you want to connect a second device to a saved wireless access point, or maybe you're with a friend who wants to log in to the same hotspot. If you can't get the password from the source, you might think to check your Android phone or tablet for the credentials, but looking at the stored Wi-Fi network in your settings won't show the password in plain text. It is possible to get the plain text password for the Wi-Fi network from your device's settings, but it's not apparent at first glance. If you have a phone or tablet with an Android skin, such as any Samsung Galaxy, it will be even less obvious than if you were using stock Android on, say, a Google Pixel model. Either way, it's fairly easy to find saved Wi-Fi passwords on Android, but not as easy as Apple recently made it on iOS 16 and iPadOS 16. Now, hit the share option below the network name and status. It will ask you to scan your fingerprint, scan your face, enter your PIN, or enter your password if you have security set up. Below the QR code that stores the network's credentials, you'll see the password in plain text. You can also directly connect the device, whether an Android phone or tablet, iPhone, or iPad, to the access point by using its QR code scanner to scan the code. Finding the plain text password for a stored Wi-Fi network is easiest on stock Android 10, Android 11, Android 12, and Android 13. No root is needed, and it doesn't even require an extra app. Google's Pixel devices can run Android 10 or higher, with the Pixel 4 and newer models supporting Android 13, the latest operating system update. And while the Android One program is no longer a thing, manufacturers that sold Android One smartphones, such as LG, Nokia, Motorola, and Xiaomi, are still bound by Google's requirements to provide software updates for at least 2 years following the device's release. Phones like the Nokia X10 and X20 support Android 13, but all the others released in 2020 or 2021 will probably max out at Android 12. The process below will be very similar for Android phones running a near-stock Android experience. It may also work for other models that don't have customized connection menus. Quick steps: 1. Open the Wi-Fi or Internet submenu in Settings. 2. Tap the current network or select Saved Networks and choose one. 3. Tap Share below the network's name. 4. Authenticate yourself if you have device security set up. 5. See the plain text password under the QR code. Full instructions: first, visit the Wi-Fi submenu in your Settings app. Depending on your phone model and software, you can find it using one of these ways: search for Wi-Fi in Settings, then tap the Wi-Fi result. 1. Ask Google Assistant to open Wi-Fi settings. 2. Long press the Wi-Fi symbol in the quick settings. 3. Go to Settings and Network Internet, pictured below. 4. Go to Settings and Network Internet Wi-Fi. 5. Go to Settings Wi-Fi on Android 11 only. On the Wi-Fi or Internet settings page, tap the network up top that you're currently connected to, left image below, if that's the one you need the password for. Otherwise, scroll down and select the Saved Networks option, middle screenshot below. On the saved list, you'll see the SSID, or Service Set Identifier, more commonly referred to as the network name, for each Wi-Fi network your phone or tablet remembers. Choose the one you need, right screenshot below.